Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Cresby, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please consider hitting the subscribe button and also ringing the notification bell to get notified anytime I make a new video upload. In this tutorial, I'm going to walk through a particular challenge that I experienced while I was building one of my personal projects. So what happened was, in my local directory, I had like one of the folders. I renamed it from a lowercase string to an one starting with an uppercase. So over here, previously I had like stores like this, but over a period of time I realized like naming it with an uppercase starting made much more sense than the lowercase, and it was giving me one hell of like series of errors debugging on my GitHub action. So the last successful push, or let me say deployment, was on like 10 days ago, and after the 10 last successful build, I mean those that came after that particular day were all failing because I had renamed this folder from stores to stores. But when you check the production build, it was giving me errors because like for some strange reason the Git was caching the whole push. So let me show you how it was. You realize even though I had renamed this particular folder from small letters like all lowercase store to a store starting with an uppercase, Git had cached the whole push, or let me say the directory names or the folder names. So even though I push as stores like this, and I had already made some few changes inside the component, it was still pushing as this. So it sort of gave me a headache. So when I did it, it didn't have like, it wasn't plural as it was over here. So I had to, you know, go through a whole bunch of documentation and like reading articles and all of those things. So eventually when I realized, okay, the whole problem, or let me say the reason why I was getting this particular error, was because I had renamed this folder store. So initially it was like this, store. So that was what was creating a problem. So to resolve it, I decided to change it from store to stores. But if you know how to push exactly what is on your local to the production, you can also leave that one in the comments so that I can learn as well. We learn from each other. So aside that, my GitHub actions, or let me say my CI/CD configuration, was using Ubuntu, and Ubuntu is like very case sensitive. So even though I had like store over here and then it was store over here, but the capital letter was not allowing it to recognize the component that was referencing. So that was why I was getting this particular issue. So for me, because I was in a hurry to get over this particular challenge and then work on other things, I renamed it from store to stores, so that when I make a push, it will delete, or it will remove the cached version of the app store, I mean this particular store, and then keep the updated version. So that was how come I was able to overcome this particular error. So in case you've also faced something similar, You can either use this approach, or if you have a way to push exactly what you have on local to the production with Git, you can leave that one in the comments as well. Or you can go with my approach and then have your project like synced up and running up again. So thanks for watching. This was just a simple walkthrough, or let me say talk about sort of tutorial. So hit the subscribe button, like and share. Thanks for watching.